Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. And today we're going to be cooking
leftover chili tacos. You're going to love this video like you're going to love the rest of our videos. So subscribe to the channel so you never miss any.
Now it's time to build our taco. Now I'm not a rapper, but time to get rapping. So first off, we're going to get a generous helping of chili on there, followed by a handful of salad greens, or you could use roasted root veggies. Really, it's a fridge raid, whatever you've got left over.
Next up, we've got a fantastically ripe avocado, which is packed full of good fats.
And it's just really delicious and creamy too. Followed by a few coriander leaves to give a fresh, peppery flavor.
Now we're squeezing on a bit of lime juice. You can use lemon juice as well if you prefer.
And after a quick squeeze of lime, a little sprinkle of cayenne pepper. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
Such a good way to use up leftover chili. Absolutely delicious, packed with protein, packed with flavor, super Mexican vibes, and that took us all of about 5 minutes.
So if you like the look of this meal and liked this video, please subscribe to the channel because there's loads more stuff coming your way very soon.
And that Veganuary meal plan is in the description if you want to get involved and join in. It's free.
Drop us a comment below to let us know what you think. We read every one of them.
And hit that like button so more people will see this banging recipe.
Bish,
Bash,
BOSH!